Hey folks, did you know that this unassuming seaweed, swaying beneath the ocean's surface, holds the key to a treasure trove of health benefits? For centuries, coastal communities have harnessed the power of sea kelp, a type of marine algae, as a dietary staple and a source of natural remedies. Now, this oceanic superfood is making waves in the wellness world, captivating health enthusiasts and researchers alike. From the chilly depths of the ocean to our dinner plates, sea kelp's journey is a testament to its incredible versatility and potent properties. Join me as we dive deep into the world of sea kelp, exploring its remarkable health benefits and how you can incorporate this nutritional powerhouse into your daily life. Get ready to discover why this ancient superfood is making a modern-day splash. So, what exactly makes sea kelp so special? This marine marvel is teeming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. From boosting our immune systems to supporting healthy thyroid function, sea kelp's benefits are as vast as the ocean itself. Whether you're seeking to improve your heart health, enhance your energy levels, or simply elevate your overall well-being, sea kelp might just be the missing ingredient you've been searching for. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of this oceanic superfood and discover how it can revolutionize your health from the inside out. All right, let's dive into the incredible heart health benefits of sea kelp. This ocean treasure is a true friend to your cardiovascular system, thanks to its unique combination of nutrients. One of the key ways sea kelp supports heart health is by helping to lower cholesterol levels. You see, sea kelp is naturally rich in soluble fiber, a type of fiber that acts like a sponge in your digestive system. This soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This helps to reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol, which can build up in your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Sea kelp also contains compounds called fucoidans, which have been shown to have cholesterol-lowering effects. These fucoidans work by interfering with the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines, further contributing to a healthy heart. And there's more. Sea kelp is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. By helping to lower blood pressure, potassium works in synergy with sea kelp's other heart-healthy properties to keep your ticker ticking strong. So, if you're looking for a natural and delicious way to support your cardiovascular health, look no further than sea kelp. This ocean superfood is a true heart hero, helping to lower cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and keep your arteries clear. Now let's talk about stress, that all too familiar feeling that can wreak havoc on our minds and bodies. In today's fast-paced world, it's nearly impossible to avoid stress altogether. But the good news is that sea kelp can be a powerful ally in helping us cope with stress and fatigue. One of the ways sea kelp helps us combat stress is through its impressive magnesium content. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including regulating stress hormones like cortisol. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, which can lead to a whole cascade of negative effects, from fatigue and anxiety to weight gain and sleep problems. Magnesium acts like a natural chill pill, helping to calm the nervous system and reduce the production of cortisol. By replenishing our magnesium levels, sea kelp can help us feel calmer, more centered, and better equipped to handle life's daily stressors. But wait, there's more. Sea kelp also contains a special class of compounds called adaptogens. Adaptogens are natural substances that help our bodies adapt to stress and resist its harmful effects. They work by supporting the adrenal glands, which are responsible for managing our stress response. Think of adaptogens as nature's stress busters, helping to bring our bodies back into balance and improve our resilience to stress. When we consume adaptogens like those found in sea kelp, we're essentially giving our bodies the tools they need to navigate stressful situations with greater ease. So, whether you're feeling overwhelmed by deadlines, struggling with anxiety, or simply looking for a natural way to unwind after a long day, sea kelp can be your secret weapon against stress. Its unique combination of magnesium and adaptogens can help you feel calmer, more focused, and better able to handle whatever life throws your way. Sea kelp, the secret to a revved-up metabolism? Okay, let's talk about weight management and metabolism. Now, sea kelp isn't a magic weight loss potion, but it can be a valuable ally on your journey to a healthier you. One of the ways sea kelp supports weight management is by helping to boost your metabolism. For those who don't know, metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories at rest, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Sea kelp contains a unique combination of nutrients that work together to give your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Fiber power, keeping you full and satisfied. First and foremost, sea kelp is an excellent source of fiber. We touched on this earlier with its cholesterol-lowering benefits. But fiber plays a crucial role in weight management as well. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. This means you're less likely to overeat, which can contribute to weight gain. Plus, fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to unhealthy snacking. Iodine's role in a healthy metabolism. But the real star of the show when it comes to sea kelp and metabolism is its iodine content. Iodine is a mineral that plays a vital role in thyroid hormone production. Thyroid hormones are like the little messengers that control your metabolism, telling your cells how much energy to burn. When your thyroid gland isn't producing enough hormones, your metabolism can slow down, making it harder to lose or maintain weight. Sea kelp's rich iodine content helps ensure your thyroid gland has what it needs to function optimally, keeping your metabolism humming along and supporting your weight management goals. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground already. From heart health and stress reduction to weight management and metabolism, sea kelp's benefits are truly remarkable. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And hey, sharing is caring. Spread the kelp love by sharing this video with your friends and family. Now, let's jump back into the amazing world of sea kelp and uncover even more reasons to add this ocean superfood to your diet. All right, let's talk about keeping our insides squeaky clean, specifically those vital pathways, our arteries. You see, just like pipes can get clogged over time, our arteries can accumulate plaque, a sticky buildup of cholesterol, fat, and other substances. This buildup, folks, can restrict blood flow and increase the risk of heart disease. But fear not, because sea kelp is here to help. This ocean powerhouse contains compounds that act like natural artery scrubbers. Remember how we talked about iodine and its role in thyroid health? Well, it's time to dive a little deeper into that connection. As we mentioned, iodine is essential for the production of thyroid hormones, which regulate our metabolism. But thyroid hormones do so much more than that. They influence everything from energy levels and body temperature to heart rate and even mood. Combating goiter kelp to the rescue. Now, when your thyroid gland doesn't have enough iodine to function properly, it can lead to a condition called goiter. Goiter is essentially an enlargement of the thyroid gland, which can cause swelling in the neck and potentially lead to other health problems. Historically, sea kelp has been used to address iodine deficiency and prevent goiter, and in many parts of the world, it continues to be a valuable dietary source of this essential mineral. Sea kelp, your skin's new best friend? Alright guys, let's be honest, who doesn't want healthy, glowing skin? Well, guess what? Sea kelp might just be the secret weapon your skincare routine has been missing. This ocean treasure is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can work wonders for your complexion. You see, sea kelp is a natural source of vitamins A, C, and E, all powerful antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals, those troublemakers, are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells, leading to wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of premature aging. Tackling acne with kelp's power. But that's not all. Sea kelp also contains anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great natural remedy for acne. Acne, as many of you know, is often caused by inflammation and bacteria trapped in the pores. Sea kelp can help reduce inflammation, soothe irritated skin, and even combat acne-causing bacteria. And here's an extra tip. Some people even use sea kelp as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and promoting a brighter, smoother complexion. Now, let's move on to another common issue that many people struggle with: bloating and digestive discomfort. Feeling bloated can be uncomfortable and embarrassing, but the good news is that sea kelp can help. Remember how we talked about sea kelp being an excellent source of fiber? Well, that fiber plays a crucial role in keeping our digestive systems running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to our stools, making them easier to pass and preventing constipation. Plus, sea kelp also acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria that live in our guts. These good bacteria, also known as our gut microbiome, play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even our immune system. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, sea kelp can help reduce bloating, gas, and other digestive discomforts, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. All right, folks, let's talk about something pretty concerning: exposure to radiation and heavy metals. Now, we're exposed to low levels of radiation every day from natural sources like the sun and cosmic rays. But we're also increasingly exposed to radiation from man-made sources like medical imaging, cell phones, and even certain building materials. And when it comes to heavy metals, well, they can sneak into our bodies through contaminated food, water, and even the air we breathe. Detoxifying with kelp, a natural approach. The good news is that sea kelp may offer some protection against these environmental threats. Research suggests that certain compounds in sea kelp, particularly alginates, can bind to heavy metals in the digestive tract, preventing their absorption into the bloodstream. Think of alginates like tiny magnets, attracting and trapping those heavy metals so they can be safely eliminated from the body. This detoxifying effect of sea kelp can help reduce our overall toxic load and support our body's natural detoxification processes. Mineral powerhouse, kelp's hidden treasures. Now let's not forget about kelp's incredible mineral content. This ocean superfood is like a multivitamin from the sea, providing a wide array of essential minerals and trace elements that our bodies need to thrive. We've already talked about iodine and its importance for thyroid health. But sea kelp is also a fantastic source of calcium, a mineral crucial for strong bones and teeth. And get this, sea kelp actually contains more calcium than milk, ounce for ounce. So, if you're looking for a plant-based way to boost your calcium intake, sea kelp is an excellent option. From iron to zinc, kelp's diverse mineral profile. But wait, there's more! Sea kelp is also a good source of iron, essential for healthy red blood cells and oxygen transport throughout the body. And let's not forget about zinc, a mineral that plays a vital role in immune function, wound healing, and even our sense of taste and smell. These are just a few of the many minerals and trace elements found in sea kelp. By incorporating this nutrient-dense superfood into our diets, we can help replenish our bodies with these essential nutrients and support overall health and well-being. A sea of benefits ready to explore. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today exploring the incredible world of sea kelp. From boosting heart health and combating stress to improving digestion and protecting against environmental toxins, this ocean superfood truly lives up to its reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you're seeking to improve your overall well-being or target specific health concerns, incorporating sea kelp into your diet can be a game changer. Remember those heart-healthy benefits? Sea kelp can help lower cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and keep your arteries clear, thanks to its fiber, fucoidans, and potassium content. Dive into the world of sea kelp, and let's not forget how sea kelp can help us combat stress and fatigue with its magnesium and adaptogens, naturally boosting our resilience to life's daily challenges. And for those striving for a healthier weight, sea kelp's metabolism-boosting properties, combined with its fiber content, can be a valuable ally on your journey. So, are you ready to dive into the world of sea kelp and experience its incredible health benefits for yourself? Remember, This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes.